student, today my topic is uses of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are great importance in the organic synthesis. Synthesis is to make and widely used for a synthesis to a large variety of organic compound. For example, ethyl chloride is used as a local anesthetic and as a refrigerant. Ethyl bromide is used for the preparation of barbiturate drugs. Now, next heading is haloarenes. The halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons having the halogen. When benzene ring having the halogen, then atom directly attached to the carbon atom of the aromatic ring is called the haloarenes. When halogen group directly attached to the carbon of the benzene ring, then it is known as haloarenes. They are also referred as aryl halide. An aryl halide is obtained when a hydrogen atom attached to the aromatic ring is replaced by the halogen atom, such as this. This hydrogen when get replaced by halogen and halogen get attached and hydrogen get removed, then this is known as haloarenes. For example, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, this is chlorotoluene. So these type of rings are known as haloarenes. Now come to the nomenclature. This is the chlorophenyl methane because chloro is attached to the phenyl group to the methane. The mediator is a methane, that is side chain. Dichlorophenyl methane. This is methane. Now chloro is di, that is why it is known as dichloro. This is trichloro phenyl methane. Now this is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. 1,2-dichlorobenzene because chloro is in the 2 form, that is why we have di. So next is 1,2,3-tribromobenzene. This is 2-nitrochlorobenzene. Now method of preparation: when benzene ring get reacted with Cl2 in the presence of Fe or FeCl3 in dark room temperature, then chlorobenzene form with HCl. Again, when benzene ring react with bromide in the same catalyst and the dark room, it forms bromobenzene. And the third one is when benzene is react with iodine in the presence of HiO3 as a catalyst, then it is formed iodobenzene. Again, when 5 molecules of Hi react with HiO3, then also iodobenzene get formed. Now come to the directive influence of group. A group already present on the benzene ring decided the position to occupy by an incoming group on the ring. The group which is get attached to the benzene ring decided its position itself. This property of already present group is called its directive influence. On the basis of directive influence, the substituent group having classified into 2 categories. First is ortho and para directing group. The group which direct the incoming group to enter the ring primarily in ortho and para position to themselves are called ortho para directing group. For example, NH2, it just get attached to ortho or para position. This is primary amine. This is tertiary amine. Sorry, this is primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. These are the para and ortho directing. Alcohol, OR, that is this is alkyl, R is alkyl and O is oxy. This is alkyl, this is chloro, bromide and iodine. So all these are para and ortho directing group. They just get attached to the para position or ortho position in the benzene ring. Now next is meta directing group. The group which direct the incoming group to enter the ring in the meta position to themselves are called the meta directing group. Some example of meta directing group are nitrocyanide, SO3H, aldehyde, oic acid, carboxylic acid, that is amide. So all these are the meta directing group. They get attached to the meta position in the benzene ring. So my question is for today: what is haloarenes, its preparation and directive influence group?